Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds with Android device. So it's a 5-step process. So let's start. In the first step, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. So here is the right one and here is the left one. So please make sure they are connected properly. Now you have to leave this charging case open. In the second step, you have to open Bluetooth settings on your Android device. So I will go to settings and then I will select connections, and then from here I select Bluetooth. And here you can see Bose Open Earbuds Ultra, and here it is showing you the settings icon. You have to select this settings icon, and once you go inside here, you will see this option of Unpair. So I will select this Unpair option, and then again I will select Unpair. Now you have to close this, and now in the third step you have to open Bose Music App. So I will open this Bose Music App, and here you can see we have this account icon. You have to select this icon, and then here you can see this option of manage products. So I will select manage products, and then you can see this option of edit. So I will select this edit option, and then I will select Bose Open Earbuds Ultra from here. And then you will see this option of delete. Okay, so you have to select this delete option, and then you have to select remove. Now you can close this app. In the fourth step, with earbuds inside the charging case and the case open, you have to press and hold the button at the back side of charging case for 20 seconds. So I will press and hold this back button for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds you will see this status light will turn into white and it blink 2 times and then slowly blink blue, and then it will turn off. Okay, and then you can leave the button. So we just have to wait, and then I will show you. So here you can see it turn into white, then it turn into blue, and then it will turn off. So now it is turned off. Now I can leave this button and it will turn on again. Now you have to repeat this process 2 times more. So I will do it for the second time. So I will press and hold this back button. Okay, and then you will see this status light blink white 2 times and then slowly blink blue, and then it will turn off. So here you can see now it turned into white, now it turned into blue, and then it will turn off. Okay, so now we can leave this button. Now we have to do this process for the third and last time. So again I will press and hold this back button, and now you will see this status light will blink white 2 times and then slowly blink blue, and then it will turn off. But in the third step, you will see once it's turned off, it will turn on again, and then it will blink amber for 3 seconds. Okay, so first of all we have to wait. Okay, now I will leave this button, and now you will see this status light will blink amber for 3 seconds. We just have to wait. So here you can see now it blink amber for 3 seconds. So that means the hard reset has been done. So the factory settings for Bose Ultra Open Earbuds are being restored. Now I will show you how to reconnect these earbuds with your Android device. So first of all, we will go to the Bluetooth settings. Okay, so here is our Bluetooth settings, and then here is the option for scan. So I will select this scan option, and then you can see it is showing Bose Open Ultra Earbuds in the available devices. So I will select it. Okay, and then it will start making the connection. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and then I will show you. So now it is still pairing. So here you can see it is asking me if I want to pair with Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. I will select pair, and then here you can see now it is connected. Okay, you can save it from here, and then you can select done. And if you want to allow access to contacts, you can select this allow option. So you can see Bose Open Earbuds Ultra is now connected with my Android device. Now I will show you how to connect it with Bose Music App. So I will close it, and then I will open Bose Music App. So here you can see it is showing me the option of connect a product. I will select it, and then from here I will select headphones and frames. And now if you want to create Bose account, you can select get started, but I don't want to create any account. I will select skip. Okay, and now it will start searching nearby devices, and here it is showing Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. I will select connect option, and then it will start making the connection. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and then here it will ask you if you want to give it any name. I will select the first option, Bose Open Earbuds Ultra, and then I select save. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see it is asking you if you want to check your fit. So you can select show me how. Okay, so you can select this option, and then it is showing you how to wear, and you can select done. And then it will ask you if you want to experience the demo. I will skip it, and then I will select get started. And here you can see Bose Open Earbuds Ultra are now connected with Bose Music App. You can select it from here, and here you can use all of the features for Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. So guys, this is how you can hard reset Bose Ultra Open Earbuds with your Android device. I made a separate video about how to hard reset these earbuds with your iPhone. So if you have any iOS device, you can watch that video. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.